Hello everyone, I'm Vijay from Vijay Academics. Today I'll be going to explain the circular number 54, which is related to participation in Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating SHVR 2026-27. So this is the very important circular. The Department of School Education and Literacy, that is DOSE and L, Ministry of Education, Government of India, has initiated the implementation of the Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating SHVR 2026-27 as a national program for promoting water, sanitation, hygiene, WASH, environmental sustainability, and mission life initiatives in schools. The SHVR 2026-27 implementation framework, assessment methodology, and evaluation process shall remain the same as those adopted during SHVR 2025-26. Schools shall continue to be assessed across the 6 thematic areas of water, toilets, hand washing, with soap, operation and maintenance, behavior change and capacity building, and mission life activities. You are requested to ensure timely registration of the school on the SHVR portal mobile application. Complete the self-assessment process within the timelines prescribed. Nominate appropriate staff members to coordinate the SHVR activities and maintain the required records and evidence. Encourage activity participation of students, teachers, and the school community in promoting cleanliness, sustainability, and environmentally responsible practices. Participate in the orientation of the capacity building programs conducted by NCERT and other designated authorities. For any other information, the timelines, please refer to the SHVR guidelines available in this is the website given where the guidelines are available, and enclose SHVR 2026 brochure and bookmark. Let us see what is there in this now. Brochure is also given. You can go through the brochure. It is in detail given everything. So let us see here now. Every citizen should pledge to keep their surroundings clean as a matter of habit, and because it's a program. Now see, these are the pictures given here over here, how they are going to assess. See about SHVER. All the pointers they have given. Next is Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya ratings. SHVR provides a ready opportunity to inculcate relevant fundamental duties, citizenship, skills, and value among the students with linkage to environmental awareness, including water, sanitation, and hygiene resources conservation as visualized under the National Education Policy 2020. SHVR package water, toilets, hand washing with soaps, operational and maintenance and behavioral change in the capacity building, mission life activities, assess for school hygiene, and see all these things are given over here. Why to participate in SHVR survey? Empower your school with clean and green, practice better hygiene and national recognition. So assess your school's hygiene and sanitation status, identify hygiene gaps and areas for improvement, boost your school as clean and green, get your school rated and recognized, do gap analysis and planning. Now, Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya ratings. See here, it has been given a score 90 to 100% adheres to the norms. 5 stars are there, excellent, keep it up. Then 75 to 89% adherence to the norms, 4 stars, very good. 51% to 74% adherence to norms, 3 stars, good, but there is a scope for improvement. 35 to 50 adherence to norms, 2 stars, fairness to improvement, and below 35 adherence to norms is, that is 1 star, poorness to considerable improvement. Timelines for the event, it has been given. Online submission of the application by the school, that is 1st August 2026 to 30th September 2026. Next, 1st October 2026 to 31st October 2026, assessment and evaluation of schools for recognition certificate of merit at the district level. 1st November to 7th November 2026, nomination of the schools for the state UT level. Point number 4, 8th November 2026 to 7th December 2026, assessment and evaluation of schools for recognition certificate of merit at the state and UT level. Point number 5, 8 December 2026 to 15 December 2026, nomination of the schools for national level. Point number 6, 16 December 2026 to 15 Feb 2027, cross validation at national level for recognition certificate of merit or for school. Point number 7, national level ceremony to be finalized later on. So how it work? It has been given what you are going to do. The first point is enter UDISE plus core, quickly fetch your school's basic details, complete school profile, fill in required information for the registration in SHVR, answer the survey, respond to questions under 6 categories. Point number 4, submit and track, submit your responses and monitor progress. Point number 5, get rated and recognized, stand a chance to be recognized at national level. Next is Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya ratings 2026 video is given here. You are going to watch it, and gallery pictures are also given, so you can take help of all these things. Now here it has been told that download the SHVR app, effortlessly take part in the school self-assessment survey anytime, anywhere, update your profile, monitor progress, and earn recognition all from your mobile devices. Now here scan QR code to download Android app. Scanners are given. You can scan it. Now, what kind of questions are being asked? Frequently asked questions. Is it necessary for every school to participate in the SHVR 2026-27? What are the benefits of participating in the SHVR 2026-27? Yes, every school is encouraged to participate in SHVR 2026-27. Participation in SHVR 2026-27 provides schools a one-time opportunity to do a quick self-assessment against standards under water, sanitation, hygiene, and a green school, besides aspiring for a higher level of performance 5-star rating. Accredited by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. The recognition will raise the reputation of the school in the community amongst peer institutions, which will help in retaining children in school and enhancing their hygiene, health, learning outcomes, and development outcome. It also helps to ensure sustainable development in the school. Next is, how can a school sign up at a set password to apply for SHVR 2026-27? Point number 1, schools can participate through the SHVR web portal. They have given it, or by downloading the SHVR mobile app from the following links. Links are also given: Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Point number 2, to sign up, school must use their UDISE plus code. Now press continue and you will receive OTP on the mobile register with UDISE plus. Now set your password. After creating a password and click the sign up button, a pop-up message will appear: sign up completed. Next question is, how can a school log in and submit its SHVR 2026-27 application? Point number 1, schools can log in using their UDISE plus code and password created during sign up. Password should be same as selected during the sign up phase. Point number 2, they must fill in the required details as per the self-assessment format provided under Annexure 1 of guidelines, Section A, primary information, and Section B, assessment categories, along with photo uploads. Point number 3, after completing the form, click final preview, and then after reviewing, click final submit. A pop-up message to confirm final submission will appear, and then click submit. After final submission, you will not be allowed to make any changes. Next is, can my school apply through the web portal instead of the app? Yes, application can be submitted through either the web portal or the mobile app based on the convenience feasibility. For applying through website, visit the website is given over here. Click on participate now and follow the steps. Please note that UDISE plus code is mandatory. If you don't have one, visit the official UDISE plus portal and register your school. So this is all about this program. Now again, more questions are there. Is it necessary? Yes, we have done it. I hope all of you have understood all about SHVR. Let us go back. Many things are given in the circular. See, downside it has been given. We are going to check what is that. I can explain you. Already I have explained it in detail. See, these all things are given over here. Who can participate? All the government aided and the private schools in both urban and the rural areas can register using their UDISE plus code. So benefits of participation: encourage self-assessment and improvement, brings national recognition. Just now I told all those things, how to download and all. Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya ratings SHVR 2026-27. So all the government aided and the private schools both are able to register by using their UDISE code. Next, what has been given? Let us check about Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya ratings SHVR. All the details are given over here. What are the objectives, then how to participate. Okay, so all this information I have just now read, and it is good for you. So tell your principal and management to be the part of this movement. See, key categories are water, toilet. So here you are going to upload the pictures related to all these things. What are the benefits you are going to get? So all these information just now we have done. So this is all about Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating. I hope all of you have understood in detail about this circular. So it is a kind request from my side. If you are getting updated from my channel, so subscribe it, like and share it. And if you are having any query, please feel free to ask your questions. Thank you. Thanks a lot.